In this video, we're going to be taking a look at the 2023 question 7. So it was a short question and it was asking us to just balance a bank T account, okay, so a bank account. So we'll see here that we have the debit side, okay, which you can see here, DR means debit, and that is money in to the bank account. And then we've got the credit side, which is money out. So we're asked to balance the following bank account, okay, and bring down the balance at the end of the month. So what we're going to do, we are going to figure out which side is bigger first of all. Okay, so we've got 450 and 640, which is 1090. Okay, if we just scribble that down. And then 465 and 345 is 810. Okay, so I hope you can see there that the debit side, the left hand side, is bigger. And what we're going to do, we're going to just take this biggest figure and we're going to put that in both sides. Now, this side, the debit side, does equal 1090 now, okay, because we've got 1090 that side. But this side here doesn't. Okay, we only have 810. So we have to add something in to the credit side, the right hand side, in order to make that 1090. So what do I need to add to 810 to get up to 1090? And the answer is 280. So what we're going to write there is 31st of the 5th, which is the last day in May. And we're going to write balance carried down. And then we're going to bring that down then on the debit side on the 1st of the next month, which is the 6th, balance brought down, and that's 280. So that is question 7 of that year's short question complete, and you would have 2.5 minutes in which to do that. So just summarise there, tot up both sides, find the bigger side, write the bigger number in both totals, and then just make sure both sides equal 1090. The credit side, the right hand side, was short in this case, so 31st of the 5th, balance carried down there, and then we have balance brought down on the 1st of the 6th, 2080, and it's on the debit side, the inside, so that means that they have €280 in their bank account at the end of May. So that is that question complete.